This makeover is part of a series where I gave 3 completely different sets of nightstands the same dramatic black finish. I tracked my costs, time spent, and then listed them all at the same price and waited to see which one would sell the quickest. Hi, I'm Lana, and together, let's make something beautiful, something made for you. These solid wood nightstands had great structure, but the heavy finish and dated details made them feel stuck in the past. Here's how I gave them a fresh, modern update. I started by removing the hardware and then cleaning with Fusion's TSP alternative to get rid of any oils or residue before sanding. Next, I filled in imperfections with wood filler. No need to patch the hardware holes since the new knobs went in the same place and covered the old marks perfectly. After a scuff sand with my orbital sander and some hand sanding in the corners, I primed in black. Once it dried, I noticed a few spots on the top that weren't as smooth as I wanted. To fix that, I mixed DAP filler with primer, skimmed it over those areas, and then sanded smooth before painting. I'm using Sherwin Williams Emerald Urethane Trim Enamel in Tricorn Black in a satin finish. I painted, wet sanded the tops with 400 grit for extra smoothness, and applied another coat. These had bulky feet, so I removed them for a flush base. Sometimes modernizing a piece isn't about adding, it's about taking away. I also peeled off an old sticker from the drawer interior with a heat gun and a scraper before cutting and installing a clean drawer liner. And here's the finished look. Deep, black, smooth satin, fresh brass knobs, and a streamlined base. A simple transformation that gave these apothecary-style nightstands a timeless new life. Stay tuned to find out which one is the winner. As each video is posted, I'll make sure to provide the link in the description. I was actually pretty surprised by the results. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe to let me know you want more videos like this one.